Have to be more and more productive? Don't you waste time every day searching for files and applications? So do we. That's why we created a new way to search and use resources on computers. What if you could create, design, and pilot your own smart workspace? KMB 360 Working lets you gather all your resources into mini applications called widgets. Create your own dynamic workspaces, and with tabs, create as many projects or client environments as you need. Then, access all you need in one click. And finally, design your interface according to your own logic. Sounds great! But what about knowledge management? Workspaces can be transferred easily to accelerate employee onboarding and avoid project interruption, to provide direct access to specific folders and files, and to make knowledge management an efficient and living process. KMB 360 Working is already in use on 205,000 computers in 80 countries. So, KMB 360 Working is a business solution that is easy to roll out and keeps everyone in the company sane and productive.